On top with tori for today, Presido Muhammadu Buhari don give order say make dem do better check for NDDC activities for the country. Sake of the many talk wey dey waka everywhere, unto the way wey Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) take dey operate for the country, na im make Niger Presido Muhammadu Buhari give order say make dem do better check for the work wey dem dey do from 2001 reach 2019. Presido tok dis one wen e receive governors of the states wey under dis commission, the one wey Governor Seriake Dickson, wey be governor of Bayelsa State, carry come State House for Abuja. Presido tok say wetin dey ground for south no dey show the money wey dem don pump put for NDDC. Presido Buhari tok say im don dey try do better follow-up on top NDDC sake of the money wey federal government dey put inside am, as dem go like dey see the results of this money.
I tried to understand the interpretation of acts that dictate, the running of these institutions where we are putting so much money, especially the NDDC, because the amount of money which the federal government is religiously allocating to NDDC, we would like to see the results on the ground. The project must be verifiable. I mean, you just can't say you spend so many billions and then when you go, it's only the lagoon you see, and so you don't see the structures that are claimed to have been done. Those that are responsible for that, I think, will eventually be asked to explain certain issues.
Presido Buhari tok say im sabi say dem must spend money to develop Niger Delta area wey dey the country pass other places dem, and na dis one na im cause am say if work dey ground to do, dem must to see say na people wey sabi the work well and wey go do am and deliver give government, na im dey do am.
Infrastructure in the Niger Delta are very expensive to develop. Places like in some of the or most of the state in the northeast, you just need to scrape it and then the ground is firm. But there you have to do a lot of foundation work. So I'm acutely aware through my experiences that projects in your area are very, very expensive. Very, very expensive. That's why if any job is given, you must make sure that the company is competent, it has the capacity to do it, and to do it well.
Bayelsa State Governor Seriake Dickson, wey carry the other governors dem come State House for Abuja, come talk how other governors dem no take happy and himself unto the way NDDC take dey operate. Sake of say the project wey NDDC dey do, dey good for high, and the way dem take dey handle the project na jaga way as dem no dey complete am. E come talk say e go make sense make government reposition NDDC, make dem for do the work wey dem make dem tanda the commission put.
It's a systemic issue, it's a systemic crisis that we are here to highlight. So there's a disconnect, a major disconnect. And we feel concerned as key benefiting stakeholders.
Make una remember say on top this NDDC matter, na im make Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki be talk say make dem do better investigate on top the 20 billion naira emergency money wey NDDC talk say dem spend for Edo State, as im be complain say NDDC no dey collabo with state government on top this road project dem. And na dis check na im carry House of Reps ad hoc committee on top NDDC abandoned project come Edo, and as dem use their eye take check wetin happen, dem sef no happy as dem see say no project from NDDC dey completed for Edo. Na here we see the better informate reach on top with tori for today, as Niger Presido don give orders say make dem do better check for NDDC activities from 2001 reach 2019. And dis ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im dey knack am dey give una on top with tori for today. And to continue to dey get dis ogbonge and sharp informate, mo una no forget to like, comment and subscribe to we YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media, and we website sidon gidigba pod for www.tlivemedia.com. to dey get ogbonge tori as e dey hot.